We're doing an unboxing video. What's in the bag? Paid £20 worth of merch, and apparently it's worth £60 worth of merch. I did get my money's worth because I was calculating what was in there, and I did get my money's worth. So let's go and see what we have in the bag. And interesting, awesome goodies. Let's zoom out a bit. Let's see what we got. What we got here. Let's put a bit of light on, actually. Actually, light is on what I'm saying. But yeah, we've got like a... Actually, let's put a light on over here. That's better. We've got a bit more daylight now. We've got a car. A nice car. A nice retro car. Look at that. Kind of like this. Nice car. We've got a catalogue here from the bag. Just realised I wasn't recording then. We've got a catalogue here in the bag. Let's see what else we got. Oh, most of these are falling apart. We've got the thing come off. Got another car. If anybody knows their cars, they can tell me what these are. I'd be grateful. I don't think they tell you on there, actually. I can't really... Small print. Very small print. Another car. Like a 50s, 60s, I reckon. Car. That's it. 1, 2. Let's get this away. It's 3 cars. What else we got? Got another car. Interesting car. It's another one. Any more cars? Yep. Got another car here. This is from the Alexandra Model Railway Show. This is what I've got. Let's put these at the back so I can... that's it. Let's get that. It's got the cars here. Right, what else have we got? Oh, some bigger box. It's like some sort of bus or coach. Looks like a bus, actually. A nice bus. Quite nice, quite awesome bus. That's a bus. Oh, something else in here. And we've got a fire engine thing. I don't know what the period is. It's like 50s or 60s, round about there. Could be older. That's it. So we've got, so far got some of this. Any more bits? Oh, we've got a random platinum member Oxford Die 2003 edition. Yeah. Oh, bigger boxes now. Got the big boxes. Oh, this one's sealed. This one's actually sealed. We have to unbox this. Let me slide that out. One-handed filming. Oh, Eddie Sorbet. Eddie Sorbet. It's a nice one, that is. That's quite a nice vehicle. I know I can unscrew it at the bottom to take it out if I want to. Eddie Sorbet. What else have we got in here? Got another big box in here. A very heavy one, actually. A very heavy one. Oh. Oh, it's a vehicle. Another Eddie Sorbet. But it's a bigger version to this one. Wow. 1/76 scale, this one. It's quite good details on that, actually. So Eddie Sorbets. Got 2 of those, so got 2 of them. All this. It's quite a good bargain, actually. From the Alexandra Palace Model Railway Show. Well, especially, it's really good. Good shop. I'm pleased with that.